One-day Indo-Myanmar conference at Classic Grant aims to enhance trade ties between northeast region of India and northwest region of Myanmar. After Manipur MP Dr. Lorho Pose appeals to civil society organizations of both hills and valley to unite for a peaceful and united Manipur. Kangli Park Students Association seizes several expired food items in Thangal Bazaar. Search down 7 godowns storing expired and adulterated foods. NEIDP Manipur condemns recent alleged scandalous conducts of BJP delegates who visited Myanmar in view of India's Act East policy. An MDA team including Shiv Sena reps set forth to apprise Shiv Sena national leaders of need for protective clothes and citizenship amendment bill. Hello and welcome to Back to News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Laithingma Monica with the latest news updates. India Foundation organized one-day Indo-Myanmar conference with an aim to enhance trade ties between northeast region of India and northwest region of Myanmar at Classic Grant today. Speaking in the conference, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren lauded India Foundation for organizing the conference. He asserted that such conference will enhance ties between India and Myanmar and make India's Act East policy mission a success. The Chief Minister further stated that ties between Manipur and Myanmar will be much enhanced with the completion of the ongoing construction of Asian Highway 1 and 2 in the state to interconnect India, Myanmar and Thailand. Biren also contemplated on the prospects of various sectors in the state including health and education sectors once the highway is completed. He maintained that educational institutions in the state can even cater to Myanmarese students once the highway is ready.
Honorable Chief Minister of Saigon led the teams and visited the health institutions along with the Janims and some private hospital like Sky. And they were very impressed that they have seen the facilities available here. I hope that the medical tourism, mainly from the Myanmaris, will be boom. And this kind of cooperation between the two countries will help the relationship, not only the relationship economically changes may take place. I have already requested to the central government also, just let us give a chance to talk political solutions. And definitely I will again ask to the central government to offer a talk with the militants who is residing and hiding in the area of Myanmar.
Outer Manipur MP Dr. Lorho Pose asserted that ties between hills and valley inhabitants will deepen only when civil society organizations of both hills and valley regions work hand in hand. He was speaking in a Thanksgiving ceremony held upon his recent victory. NPF Manipur State Unit organized the event at Champs Auditorium in Kangla-Tombi. Dr. Lorho urged people to leave behind past differences and come together for a united and peaceful Manipur. He asserted that when we stand united, nobody can pull us apart. Dr. Lorho thanked all those who voted for him, assured to fulfill his duty as an MP for the welfare of the people. NPF Nagaland Unit MLA Yitachu, NPF Manipur State Unit President Awangbo Nyumai and MLAs Kasim and Lisio Kaising, representatives of hill-based organizations like Naga Hoho, UNC, Ansum and valley-based organizations like Amuko, Desam and Ames were present in the event.
Akoy Manipur da layminage di haraga nung simra yautana karmaina pan menagani ching tam amatani di haraga nung sinabad layribra akoy territorial integrity chugai be yaroi di haraga nung si badut laybra masi wahangsi mi amamamna itum tabo hangjasi nungsiba leiramdragadi panminaba ngamoy hingminaba ngamoy nungsinase leiminase panminase haiba taragadi nungsiba haibasi kadai hawhangadabno nangi wakhal manungda achumbadu khangle haraga achumbadu khangam matamda ishor yaudana akoina achumbadu su khangba ngamoy ishor bo akoi thamoida nungsibagi maru hungebado mathang mathang pambi on haleraga mahi yananaba iramdam si oi haleraga afaba manipur ohansi afaba akoi iramdam ohansi habisi ahagna mayamdasu appeal tawjaningbani.
Kangleipak Students Association KSA confiscated several expired food items and also shut down 7 godowns today. Acting on a tip-off, KSA members carried out a drive at a warehouse behind Shanghai Continental Hotel in Thangal Market. The KSA team came across food items being adulterated and expired tags on food products being modified at the godown. Food products manufactured by a Tamil Nadu-based company, Sri Meenakshi Traders, like Kappa Pafor, Kappa Refined Oil, Kappa Honey, Kappa Mirchi Powder, Kappa Faroda, Kappa Chili, Kappa Chow, Kappa Haldi Powder and Kappa Tim Tim Fruits were confiscated from the warehouse. It is reported that the items were imported in Manipur by one Niraj Mahawat, son of Kedar Mahawat from Rajasthan. Speaking to media, KSA's Secretary General S. Hemjit condemned the relevant authorities, including Manipur Food Safety Department, for failing to take any appropriate measures against such existing food adulteration in the state. He also warned shopkeepers against selling of any Kappa food products in Manipur.
Ngasigi iramdam asida akoigi khunai ngasi gelombi singna noma kangna sanariba processing asibu ngasigi nongna laiba akoigi mitomen ja singa sina leveling togduna akoigi expiry ba posing si yanjanduna ngasi akoigi gelombi singa su muthana bu honali asigumba tanja asida ngasigi kanglei sida leiba ngasigi lenga asigi food safety oiba department asina hanobo yengsindana leiri masai mathok togjadri aduna marmaduna ngasigi lenga asina mai leinaba department singna akoigi masigi asigumlaba wayan tobo singa su phagatuna serak phening gi wakhalo du kanglei student association thamjage aduga ngasi kappa hariba akoigi company na puthoiba akoigi manipur gi kanglei sigi iramdam masina sariba posang sing asi iramdam masigi yelong sing sabi ganu masi mix up tawraba akoigi sabada hu oiraba posang atani aduga kappa company ase kese na singanjare aduga
NEIDP Manipur State Unit has strongly condemned the recent alleged scandalous conduct of Bihar delegates during their recent visit in Myanmar in view of India's Act East policy. Speaking to media at party office in Tehran today, State NEIDP President Dr. N.G. Bijoy expressed apprehension at the possible negative influence of the Act East policy when it comes into full effect. He termed it unfortunate that the Bihar delegates carried out obscene conducts worth occurring in red light areas in the neighboring country of Myanmar, which has close ancestral ties with Manipur. Bijoy called for concerted efforts from all the civil society organizations to defend the state from such obscene behaviors and its associated negative consequences.
Yumthangnabada mai chaga yumnonabada leiba aikoina tumina leithokpa haibase aikoi yumnonriba aikoigi yumzu chalakpa yai haibase masi kaufade haibasi maga thamjaraga aikoi bharat teleriba moral yaudaba bharat ki punani ko aina haijarise moral yaudaba MLA sing dagi aikoigi isan icha mayam se masi mongoloid furup se mongoloid netaba furup sing dagi aikoi section na ngak senba tangai fade.
A team of Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA, including representatives of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit, led by MDA convener M. Tombi, left for Mumbai today to apprise Shiv Sena national leaders of the need to include a protective clause in Citizenship Amendment Bill to avoid any harm to Manipur if the bill is ever passed in the Parliament. Speaking to media at Shiv Sena office at Babupara before their departure, M. Tombi affirmed that MDA continues to stand against Citizenship Amendment Bill. He assured that if need arises, they will even pressurize central leaders in Delhi not to let the bill harm Manipur in any manner. M. Tombi expressed hope that the BJP-led NDA government will not retract from the assurance of former Home Minister Rajnath Singh, which stated that CAB will not hurt the sentiments of the people of Manipur. The MDA convener also asserted that they are ever ready to visit Delhi to urge the President to give his assent on Manipur People Bill 2018.
Mamangda Manipur Democratic Alliance na Manipur Pazaga Loinana Citizenship Amendment Bill Manipur the Sana Handana Honagani Haiba Stain do Nasisu Hongbalite. Singi Lamdam Singda Main Road Poba Main Road Tananaba Kundagi Tolokoda Noma Pura Kong Satpada Namini Poba Satpada Yawungam the Badumba Kunsing Madu Dagi Karakpa MLA Sing Ado Maduga Hinganabaki Sabsaba Adugamba Infrastructure Lerba Akoi Satellite Town the Karab MLA Singa Local Area Development Funds Sab Manabase Masi Singi Lamdamgi MLA Singda Shoidana Kara Hapina Narugi Handaki Palamenda Akoi MP the Masi Utok Pinanaba Masima I Maruina Masima I Taksinba Masimani Aina Bombay Target Aina Seribasi.
Maphodam Road Chingtam Action Committee in a press release informed that locals have decided to repair the road leading to Maphodam on June 13 following government's failure to repair the road despite repeated pleas. GAC formed against the custodial death of police constable SM Manjur strongly denied the recent media statements issued by Imphal East Police, which alleged that SM Manjur was in contact with proscribed KCP leader Nando Luwang, who has escaped from Jenim's special ward. It may be mentioned that SM Manjur died in police custody on May 27 following his arrest on allegation of keeping close contact with the proscribed leader. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, JSC convener Salim Azad rejected the police statements published on some local dailies on June 7, which alleged that SM Manjur maintained a close contact and even supplied a mobile phone to Nando during his treatment at Jenims. He maintained that such accusations upon the deceased is an old tactic of the police. The JSC convener urged relevant authorities to look into the matter. He also urged the government to put into actions its agreements reached with the JSC at the earliest.
Se Manjur Hamatna Pau Haunai Hariba se Ekoi Court Natragana Magistrate Piramba Laitabanina JSC Yabangamde CBI Gi report Natragana Manipur government Lokat Pum Tokpa FIR Malokat Liba Adu Matam Chana Lokat Piraktaba Ase Ekoi JSC Nunang Pawi Karatuna Asigolaba custody the Sigra by SM Manjurgias Ekogi positive oiba response Natragana Adugumba Ekogi Aroiba Waroisin completion oiba Adugumba fake and findings report Adu Ekoi Miam Punamangai Dunalay
Thangjing Seva Mandal, Phamnaiba Chairak Loisang and Amaiba Loisang jointly demanded Ukal convener Mutum Maniton to come and apologize at Moirang Thangjing Mandal personally in 2 days for allegedly demeaning Moirang Thangjing Lai Harauba on local medias. Speaking to media at Moirang Thangjing Laikol today, Urel Hanba of Thangjing Lai Amaiba Yumkhaibam Rajain asserted that Moirang Lai Harauba has been in existence since time immemorial. Taking part in the press meet, General Secretary of Thangjing Seva Mandal P. Brezavidu termed it unfortunate that an organization like UKAL is trying to defame Moirang Thangjing.
Media gi platform kharada UKAL gi convener na budog gi harauba kanglon bu lan uhannaba Thong Manba Mongda Hongtok Kiba Upamsing Thangjing Seva Mandal Amadi Ingu Serap Loishang Mai Amasung Maiba Loishangna Hakin Lawi Ibudogi Kanglon Kangdava Convener Punna Wakan Taminava Lakiba Tang try to Pawada Ibudogi Lakonunda Laknava Thangjing Seva Mandan Na Thong Lao Na Hangduna Tamli Convener Tausada Laktaba Tolabadi Thangjing Seva Mandal Amadi Moirang de Labor Club Organization Punamakna Lakolakba Tabak Kudum Chana Yazagadabani
Ibadau Thangjing Harawasi Mayhauron de Hauna Hai Chak Haiba Chak to the Hauna Liglam Kaidana Ngashi Pauba Maina Wai Tang Nasam Matang Matang Kaidana Ngashi Pau Haraw Jari Lai Harawba Sang Batien Basi Kum Kungi Kumchaki Matungina Lajagi Matungili Laja Apabada Hauraga Laja Apabada Loiba Maramaduna Koi Arepa Lajade.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 24-hour ban on Imphal Cycle and Imphal Ukrul roads since 4 this morning. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. 24-hour ban on Imphal Cycle and Imphal Ukrul roads since 4 this morning, called by JSC, formed against the suspicious death of Muhammad Abdul Halim, affected normal life in the area. No untoward incidents has been reported as so far. Shops at Khurai Haikru Makong Market in Imphal East and Khabaisoi area remained shut down due to the Band. Very few vehicles were seen plying on the roads in the area. Imphal East police personnel are maintaining a strict vigil at strategic locations in the area to avoid any mishaps. It may be mentioned that Muhammad Halim from Kairang Komidok Laikai was battered to death on June 6 over suspicion of being a drug dealer allegedly by members of Anti-Drug Joint Committee Kairang Komidok. Irate locals have been agitating since demanding justice for Halim. Haingang police has also arrested 8 members of the committee in connection with Halim's death. All Manipur Muslim Students Organization AMMSO has ousted its former President Shah Nawaz and General Secretary Yunus Ali Kulapam permanently from the organization. Speaking to media in a press meet attended by AMMSO and FCB members at AMMSO head office in Hatta today, convener of AMMSO founder constituent body FCB Salim Azad stated that Shah Nawaz and Yunus Ali were suspended 20 days ago upon receiving complaints that the two joined students' organization using fake student IDs. He maintained that upon investigation by a committee, it came to light that Shah Nawaz is not an alumni of Shanghai International University, Churachandpur, nor Yunus Ali was a student of Lilong Haroibi College as they have claimed. AMMSO convener demanded all executive members under Shah Nawaz and Yunus Ali to surrender before AMMSO within 3 days.
Fake students sing asina khutpu ama semgatuna sendan lambi onthok nanaba hotnaramba si laibak thivani police tasu complaint ama tauragani thana wazna lusingba timna season naramba letter head receipt book official seal puding mak janararoi Yunus Ali khulak pamna admin oiba Facebook account WhatsApp group amadi social media network pumnamak cyber crime gi mateng lauragani ep hannanabagi dama laikhidraba marhum Hanif Sahagi mingsina duna merit prize pinanabagi mingda senkhai thungwai Taurib asi kudak tagi lep kadabani maramde amsoga hiram amatata mari lainade publicity secretary MD Safiullah matam kharagi oina suspend taure laujari ba ware asi tungi future ge damaktani akhoi da cooperation PBU masida thengnarakpa tholakpa khuding mak puna thengamin asi.
In continuance of the week-long World Environment Day observed in the State Directorate of Health Services and State Environmental Health Cell, Manipur jointly observed World Environment Day on the theme Air Pollution, Save the Earth, Plant a Tree at the Medical Directorate at Lamphel today. Speaking at the event, Health Director Dr. K. Rajo cited deforestation as the reason behind climate change. He maintained that deforestation leads to environmental pollution, which further leads to various diseases. He appealed to plant more trees and to nurture them to combat environmental degradation. Dr. K. Rajo led attendees to the event in planting tree saplings on the campus of the Medical Directorate.
Climate change is lakpadagi air pollution si tor vehicle mayam dagi tholaiba industrial production mayam dagi tholaiba pollen mayam tholai masin air si pura polluted orbani masidagi akoina matang laina tina mayam si tholokpa da moin ham da waterborne diseases tholai aina hoji khangdeba Nipah virus adagi Zika virus dengue koi Japanese encephalitis hana matam 99 thomo da hojina hena kanjana tholokpa amadi hena mapangan kakhalakpa hena masing yam kholakpa asida natana koi mi khudibang si mentally kogi diseases lerpa adagi allergic diseases lerpa adagi cardiovascular diseases lungs ki diseases mayam lerpa masai pollution sina madana yakoina uwa khara thajansi koina isana isa office natana koigi leiriba yumda su uwa sing yantatana kari makharo su thajansi madana environment si save tawgani.
Garden Care, a service provider of Mission Organic Value Chain Development of Northeast Region, MOVCD-NER, distributed rice variants like Tampa Phau and RC Money Phau to 20 farmer interest group today. Nodal Officer of MOVCD-NER Agri S. Radha Pyari and proprietor of Garden Care A. Bhakta were present in the distribution programs held at Sangaitel Community Hall, Nongchub Ngairangbam Sanglen and Nongchud Kaithel Manbi. Fish farmers and the Loktak Fishing Association Ningthokong apprehended 4 individuals who were allegedly fishing at Sinungai Kamamang Hitangpam Tatabi Maril of Loktak Lake using batteries at midnight. The miscreants are identified as Pukangbram Nauba, Pukrambam Pravish Kumar, Laishram Dhiren and Laishram Okain, all from Thenungai Makhalikai. 2 12-volt batteries and 2 DC to AC converter machine, 2 fishing net and 3 electric rods were seized from them. They were handed over to officials of the Forest Department and Bishnupur Police along with the seized items.
Loktaktagi pothoksi akoina sarabasu loibangam naibanati adu akoigi karamba haitare ko khara phangidagi hena pamakpadagi akoina battery season adana Loktak nga hatpada natna battery season abasina akoigi tin macha macha punam mana hatore aduga akoigi Loktak ecosystem je makha lekha ta halai ko akoi mangale aduna Wildlife Protection Act 1972 gi matungina sahi ahumgi phatok piba imprisonment tawwa natraga 25,000 maga penalty oina thienba natraga animak tawhanba yai
khoi life si khoi consider di police department degi forest department degi club association sing degi loina ma organization se pullaga ai sumi su mase phatta phatta ke togum si mase toksi ai base masi wore ba ma rai ta na phajana madugi phajara publicity toraga general meeting to base all lokta ke oba madu ai pa me ba tungda ma hogo do budo.
Manipur Alliance for Child Right and Bishnupur Childline jointly organized one-day capacity building program on the theme Proper Implementation and Establishment of Child-Friendly Police Station in a district at Conference Hall of SP Bishnupur district today. The program, held under the Supreme Court's instruction, analyzed on various existing crimes against minors and the POCSO Act. Speaking in the event, SP Bishnupur Hobson Sapam assured of full police support to curb crimes in the district. He also said that arrangements are all set to carry out instructions given by the Supreme Court in phases. Social Welfare Department Manipur organized one-day training program on implementation of Unique ID for persons with disabilities UDID project in Manipur at City Convention in Palace Compound today. Disability State Commissioner Dr. R.K. Kumarjit, Under Secretary of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment D.K. Penda and Social Welfare Director N.G. Uttam attended the program. 56 volunteers donated blood in the one-day voluntary blood donation camp held at Nachau Bazar Community Hall today. Blood donation team, Blood Storage District Hospital and Blood Bank Jenims jointly conducted the camp in collaboration with TYDA Tubul ULASO Club, Ngai Kong Sipai, Kanglei Park Donation Group and NYK Bishnupur. Birachandra Memorial Sporting Club in a press release has invited interested footballers who want to play for the club in the upcoming Super District Football League 2019. The club has asked those interested footballers to report at TBSFA Sports Complex Tabungkok with full football kit, Aadhaar card, age proof certificate and 2 passport-size photographs latest by June 30. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. One-day Indo-Myanmar conference at Classic Ground aims to enhance trade ties between Northeast region of India and Northwest region of Myanmar. After Manipur MP Dr. Lorho Foze appeals to civil society organizations of both hills and valley to unite for a peaceful and united Manipur. Kanglei Park Students Association seizes several expired food items in Thangal Market, shuts down 7 godowns storing expired and adulterated foods. NEIDP Manipur condemns the recent alleged scandalous conducts of Bihar delegates who visited Myanmar in view of India's Act East policy. An MDA team, including Shiv Sena reps, sets forth to apprise Shiv Sena national leaders of Need for Protective Clothes and Citizenship Amendment Bill.